This is a song I wrote a while back. I was sick and tired of my man. I let him go. It's called Repeat. Hope you like it.
A mistake I make just happens again, almost like deja vu. Is it all inside my head, in my head? You swear up and down you love me, then baby why aren't you here? Been going through this for too many years. First you say you hate me, but then you kiss me, tell me go away, you swear you miss me, make me feel worthless, but keep me beside you. I'm being sick of this whole cycle. I can't start that verse like that again. I've been going through this for too long. I don't wanna go through this again. You always say you love me, but you never show it. I'm getting so tired of it. You say you hate me, but then you kiss me, tell me go away, you swear you miss me, make me feel worthless, but keep me beside you. I'm getting sick of this whole cycle. It seems every time I try to move on, something will start all over again. Try to move to the next scene, but it seems I never can stop. My whole life is stuck in repeat. Yeah, my life's stuck in repeat, rewind stops all over again. Every piece, repeat. It got so bad I started to cry, babe. Oh, please love, stop. I'm tired of this. I know you're the one. I'm begging you, please, babe, please. Don't let me let watch my life crumble in front of me. Please, love, just stop already. Oh, we call my life. You're the one directing all of this, and I've already changed my script and changed my character. Say you hate me,